What's going on, everybody? EJ John coming at you here. So today is a very, very special day. Very exciting day. So I was telling you guys about the rebuild and all the shit that we got going on. So back is still torn apart, as you can see. But I told everybody I was working on door panels. Everyone was asking me, "Oh, what are you doing?" I was telling people I couldn't use my 8s anymore, and blah blah blah, all that shit. So everybody's questions are finally answered now. Here we go. So we have 12 Crescendo Audio UN 8s and 12 FT1 silvers. It's going to be at 2 ohms per set, so we got 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and 2 ohm. Right now, just to get some music playing in here, I have them on the my 800 from the previous builds. Just kind of low volume, not putting too much stress on the amp. The only thing on this side that I'm missing is one last switch. This is for my door locks. My driver's side window, and then this is going to be the passenger side window. Still waiting on that one to come in. I ordered 3, but one came defective, so that kind of sucks. But we got the door poppers here to open and get out of the fucking car. Filled in the dash finally. I'm thinking of putting something here. It's kind of bland. There's nothing really there. So I'm thinking of doing something else with that. Like I said, we got voltage going again and all this shit. So don't have the Bluetooth receiver in yet. It's all wired up and ready to go. Right now I have extremely low input voltage. I literally just have an aux cord converted to RCA using Y splitters and all that bullshit. Pretty much, it doesn't sound like shit. It's loud, but it's not. It doesn't give out its potential. Regular music, I guess I would say, sounds like shit in here. It plays that really deep vocal, like that bassy, punchy sound, for like that ultra stupid slowed music that I play. So it's absolutely perfect. It's pretty much like a full enclosure, because the whole back is still got the murder mat in it. So it pretty much built itself an enclosure. This is opened in the back behind here, so it's got like the perfect amount of airspace for all of them. And it came out fucking great if you ask me. So they weigh about 100 pounds a piece, maybe a little bit more. So I gotta be really careful when I open and close these. They are fucking heavy. So if any of you get a demo, please be careful. I don't want to lose a fucking door at a show or something. But I'll get you guys a little tunes playing just to kind of give you guys an idea on the tone and shit. I'm thinking of putting the C2 on it tomorrow, so maybe even tonight, because I just got done tuning this and it's loud, but these speakers are they're fucking laughing. So let's play some tunes.
I got myself, my young niggas, I don't need nobody, could've wait, anybody, on the Senate ball, in the AR8, let me put a bar with the HK, I don't need nobody, pull up late, anybody, on the Senate ball, in the AR8, who that do? Got them J's in the do. You know who that do? Just they pull up on you, who that come? Who that do? With them 30 trips right out the hip. Who that there? That don't need young nigga, I got old pants, spazzing on the end. I got pop on my whole ass. Got my lab with man, pop a nigga like a damn time. Dropping on the ass. I just pop new old jazz. Yeah, it's so fast. Smoking flappers, doing check. All I smoke is dead. Don't you ask me where the police at? Where the police at? All my niggas dead, but talk shit. Yeah, my nigga, what the hell got into my project, baby? Y'all was scared and always out here get the stuff. All my people too. All them niggas call me Jigga I'm just trying to be, I just gotta be, anything, lies to me, I spent 5 on you ain't see love my diamond ring, ain't no way, man, married to the I'm rise to me, I ain't getting on my knees, babe, you buy down to me, you go down
so I'm gonna play a couple of just regular songs just to give you guys an idea of what it sounds like. When you're getting a demo, your head sits right in between that group of 8 right there. So it's pretty fucking sweet. We have the 1C2 right now that I'm gonna put in here, and once we get the amp rack and everything built and all the batteries in, I'm adding another C2. So it's going to be about, right now it's on, I think, a total of like 700 watts. So it's like, give or take 200 watts for the, 400 watts on mids and another 400 for the tweeters. But it's going to be about 2,500 on the mids, and then right about 400-ish for the tweeters after it's all said and done. So should be pretty fucking crazy. But let's play some regular.
Street runners, bitch. $20,000 for this beat, just to bang in the club. My Wonder Woman bracelet makes my email watch. My Batman car made girl stop. This got a man 'cause it's sticky as a spider web. And it's so loud that you can smell it if a lot of hell. 3 days men fell victim to my body cow. Lil Smurfs tryna act like they want out of man. Get man, Gucci know I keep a check of gun. The AK with the loaded shot, I'm really strong. It's a bird, it's a plane, all this super.
Got a little bit of mirror flex going on with that high note. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you guys for today. If I put the C2 on it, I'll promise to make another video to you guys. It's just a problem is finding room back here. It's really not that big. It might look like it with the wide angle, but there's your resemblance here. You got the 120 and the 800, so you can kind of get a kind of a idea. But I'm thinking I might be able to slide this up a little bit or something. But I have no way to keep everything cool just laying it back there. So I really, if I do, I'm going to keep it easy on them. But again, that's all I got for you guys for today. I really hope you guys enjoy and hope you guys like the way the build's turning out. I'm loving it so far. This is the major part. I'm absolutely way more excited for these than I am for the fucking bass, because I already have an idea on what this is gonna sound like with the other shit and all that stuff. So it doesn't matter. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is EJ John signing out. Be sure to stay tuned for more. Got more coming for you. Take it easy, everybody.
Catch a body.